Welcome to this Dimplex heating and ventilation information video on the Quantum G6 report screens. The Quantum user interface is located on the top of the appliance and performs a number of functions. In this video, we will look at the report screens. Front screen 1. This will show the currently active mode of operation, e.g. out all day, home all day, frost protect, set by the customer from within the modes menu. 2. Advanced status. This text line is displayed when a timer schedule is advanced. 3. Desired room temperature set point, set by the customer on the rotary control. 4. Heating status. When the heater is in a timer profile and trying to achieve or maintain a room temperature, heating on will be displayed. Otherwise, heating off will be displayed. The words heating on or off will not be displayed in a manual mode of operation, e.g. frost mode. User info screen. 1. GDID. This is the unique product reference, which is a 12-digit number. 2. RF. Shows that RF communication is enabled and active. 3. Is the test pin code. 4. OW. Shows that open window detection is enabled. 5. AS. Shows that adaptive start is enabled. 6. SB. Shows that setback mode is enabled. 7. UI. Shows the user interface software revision. 8. CC. Shows the charge controller software revision. 9. RF. Shows RF receiver software revision. 10. O. Shows the counter of available off-peak supply to the heater value in minutes, not the heater charging time. So in this example, the off-peak main supply to the heater was on for 419 minutes from midnight onwards. 11. R. Daily runtime in minutes. In this case, the daily runtime is 47 minutes. 12. Morning runtime in minutes. In this case, the morning runtime is 47 minutes. 13. Afternoon runtime in minutes. In this case, the afternoon runtime is 0 minutes. History Screen 1. This reports the daily runtime in minutes for the last 7 days. History Screen 2. This reports the daily energy usage in kilowatt hours of the off-peak main supply for the last 7 days. History Screen 3. This reports the minutes that the off-peak electricity supply is available daily for the last 7 days. History Screen 4. This reports the off-peak electricity supply periods for the previous 24 hours. These are the times when the heater detects that the off-peak electricity supply is on. The heater needs to go through a full 24-hour cycle, midnight to midnight, before the times are recorded and displayed. Screen 5. This reports the maximum daily room sensor temperature for the last 7 days. Screen 6. This reports the minimum daily room sensor temperature for the last 7 days. Report Screen 1. Line A, first value, is the seasonal band between 1 and 7. The second value is the seasonal band between 1 and 7 based on the date. The third value is the heater rated power. The fourth value is the extra charge in hours. Line B, first value, is the daily runtime in minutes. The second value is the critical runtime in minutes. The third value is the incremental runtime in minutes. Line C, first value, is the current room sensor temperature. The second value is the room sensor temperature at midnight. Line D is the first value is the programmed heating hours. Second value is the heat demand current period. Third value is the daily energy requirement. Fourth value is the standing loss. Line E, first value, is the current set point. Second value is the set point at midnight. Third value is the calculated residual energy. Report screen 1, line F, first value, is the current core sensor temperature. Second value is the core sensor temperature at midnight. Third value is the setback energy requirement. Fourth value is the number of meaned OP hours at the end of last comfort period. Line G, first value, is the room temperature target adaptation function, minutes added to the runtime. Second value, fan duty adaptation function in minutes, subtracted from the runtime. Third value is the core residual energy adaptation function, subtracted from the runtime. Line H, first value, is the runtime history, which is yesterday's value in minutes. The second value is the runtime history the day before yesterday's value in minutes. The third value is the setback runtime. Report screen 2, line A, first value, is the core temperature sensor actual. Second value is the adjusted core temperature sensor. Line B, first value, the calculated brick temperature 1. Second value, brick temperature to stored energy 2. Line C, first value, energy losses 3. Second value, energy losses plus 4. Line D, first value, is total energy maximum. Second value, energy maximum cap. Line E, first value, maximum stored energy. Second value, current charge level. Line F, first value, is the residual energy at midnight. Second value is the adjusted residual at midnight. Third value is the residual energy at 12 p.m. Line G, first value, standing loss non-comfort hours. Line H, first value, optimised critical runtime. Second value, optimised incremental runtime. Report screen 3, line A, first value, room sensor temperature. Line B, first value, additive room temperature offset. Second value, subtractive room temperature offset. Line C, first value, room temperature offset. Line D, first value, fixed offset. Line E, first value, user temperature offset. Line F, first value, adjusted room temperature. Line G, first value, set point difference. Line H, first value, DSM comms mode. Second value, comms mode. Screen 7 reports the current DSM charge times. Times are only displayed when the heater is being remotely controlled in DSM mode 1. History screen 8 reports the programmed heating hours for the last 7 days. History screen 9 reports the room sensor temperature at midnight the last 7 days. History screen 10 reports the room temperature set point at midnight for the last 7 days. History screen 11 reports the maximum core sensor temperature for the last 7 days. Maximum core temperature is 110 degrees Celsius. History screen 12 reports the 7-day history of the additional runtime added to the next day runtime when adaptive start is active. Screen not shown when adaptive start is disabled. For other information videos on quantum, please visit www.gdhvacademy.com.